Have you ever wondered what it would be like to drive worry-free from speeding tickets? In this video, I'll show you the concealed radar laser system we completed on the C7 Z06. Here is Redenzo's built-in radar system paired with AL priority laser jammers, which are universal systems that we modify to seamlessly integrate into each vehicle. The front of the vehicle has 3 laser jammers that will prevent a laser gun from obtaining the speed from ahead. We fabricated housings that are outlined in blue for the laser jammers to aesthetically blend into the bumper. Preliminary testing with multiple laser guns allows us to determine the best combination of laser jammers and placement. After extensive testing, our setup for the front and rear of the Z06 will jam all laser guns used by law enforcement. The radar antennas are mounted behind the front and rear bumpers to fabricated brackets, and they will provide you with alerts when there are radar threats ahead and behind. The rear of the vehicle has 4 laser jammers mounted where the reflectors are behind lenses that are outlined. The fabricated housings eliminate the need for modifying the vehicle when routing the wires and aesthetically blends the jammers into the bumper. The Redenzo display controller was molded into the 12-volt socket panel in the center console for a factory appearance. All the components were mounted under the dash to a bracket, and the wires were shortened and labeled for serviceability. After every install, the system is tested again with multiple laser guns to verify everything is working properly. You can see in these clips the gun is unable to get a speed until the laser jammers are turned off. With this system, the laser jammers are programmed to jam for a certain number of seconds and then they turn off, so you get alerted and have a chance to slow down before law enforcement can obtain your speed. If you have any questions or want to learn more, please give us a phone call or send an email. This is Becky from AutoMods in Sarasota, Florida. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media.